How to get spotlight in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can obtain different spotlights. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this like to you button. Simply tap on like to you. So here, this is the section where you can try out spotlight. Simply tap on spotlight. Now in order to get it, you must have a membership. So here there are different membership and you can obtain them by simply purchasing them. Here you must add your debit or credit card, and here you'll be able to see different offers that are available. So make sure you're using your real money here. So simply tap on get spotlight, and here you must add all your credentials, and later it will be deducted from your bank account, and here you'll be able to have different spotlights in this app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.